There you go, Elaine. What a difference. What a difference the floor makes. While I'm waiting for that primer to dry on the door, I'm going to get the rivnetter out and rivnet this panel onto this door. And then I'll give that a coat of primer as well, and the same as this side. There's the rear door panel, had its first coat of primer. Got the two rivnets in at the top two corners, holes marked, ready to drill out and put the rivnets into the bottom. Let's get that done. Right, let's get this rivnet in. And as if by magic, the rivnet's now in its hole. Well done, Mr. Rivnet Tool. Got a visitor joining us today, helping us out, doing a bit of painting. Priming. Doing some priming. It's me not priming now. Favourite job. Yeah, so Lane's just priming the door panel for the bottom there. Doing a very good job as well.
Thank you.
Well, all the doors that I've been priming and making, we've now got fitted and installed. I've just made a panel for the end of this door, like that. Need to make one for that door now. Need to take the dog home for something to eat and a walk, and I think that's it for Sunday the 5th of March. You know, yesterday I made that panel for the top of this door, and this evening we've just made another one for this side and bolted it on with some rivnets. I do need to take them off again and just prime the edges, glue them together and then bolt them back on. Well, that's what I've been doing this evening. Haven't done much videoing this weekend. It's Sunday, back at the storage lockup. We were here yesterday as well, weren't we, Obi? I scribed a little piece here in the end of there. Started doing top coating of the paint all around. Like to have a tidy up as well, because I'm going to get the floor down tomorrow, so the fridge has been removed. Also made a panel for that sliding door. And what else have we been doing? Oh yeah, little piece there. I just need to get some glue, but I've scribed that corner trim to the shape of the van against the rubber seal, so I need to get that stuck on. But that's about it. So tomorrow there should be a difference when we get the floor down, eh? Yeah, do you think it'll look different tomorrow? Let's hope so. Let's go home, Obi. Something else we got done this weekend is a couple of vents on over the holes that I'd cut out to give a bit of air circulation behind where the fridge is. So that's good. Good morning. It's Saturday the 18th of March. I've not been to the lockup since last Sunday, so it's the first time I haven't done anything on the van for a week since August when we got it. Every day I've done something apart from this week. The boss is away, so I've decided to have a rest. One thing we did get done, not me personally, but a flooring company that a friend of mine has called Winnings in Cheltenham. They've put the floor down for me and they've done a very good job. So today I'm going to start making doors for this part of the kitchen. When I say start making doors, like everything I do in the van, I've already done one and then realised I should have probably started videoing it before it got to this stage. So that's one of the doors made, just been sanded down, and now it's ready for priming. And yes, that's all I do is prime, prime, prime. I think I'm going to call the van Optimus. And this is for Jackson and Dom to count how many times in the video series of us converting this van I say prime. Prime, prime, prime. That's all I'm going to do today. Just so I can say prime a few more times. I've started priming this door, and I'm going to finish priming this door, and I'm going to do some more priming later on. Prime, prime, prime. Sunday the 19th of March, and of course back at the storage lockup. Obi's with me. And the door I made yesterday has been top coated and now installed. Little leather handle on as well. So that's all working as expected. Just need to make a door for there and a door for there. Also cut and just glued on some trim on the edge of that panel. Obviously the masking tape will come off, and the same for this panel. And Obi wants to go and play, I think. I'll see you next time.